Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create business logo in Canva in a very simple way. You just simply come over into Canva and then search over here called business logo, and there will be a lots of template of your logo, and you can choose any of template if you like I'm choosing this one. This looks great. So if I click on that and if I click on the customize this template, and then you will get a custom template over here like this, and you can simply change the logos. You can customize it by your choice. If you want to click on the positions, you will get the all layers are in here. You can see all layers, so you can change which one you want to change, or if you want to create by your own logo, then you can simply come over here and then click add page, and here you can choose any of your color. If you want to make design, then you can draw over here, and also you can do something what you like. So yeah, you can customize or create your own logo into Canva in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.